Hey guys, we're back. We have our 2007 Ford Explorer, and if you can see, we've got a broken sway bar link. Most likely, when yours go out, they're going to look like that. It's going to be snapped either on the top or the bottom and stuck in place. This will cause a thump. And so when that bar you go over stuff, it'll hear contact and thump and rattles and I can't see anything now, but so yeah. So let's get you set up. Let's get the process going of how we're going to get that off. Hopefully we can just manipulate it with some vice grips and move it. But we'll see what we can do. And we'll get a new one put on. We're replacing it with a Moog part, a K700539. I have a link for that in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. Hand cutting it won't work. My sawzall's broken. We got a good old-fashioned, it's just a grinder. So, it will fit, won't hit anything else. It's a cheap grinder, but it's working. There we go. Ha ha ha. Ooh. Careful. That's hot. So you see what we went through to get all that off. It just rusts. Everything rusts in place in the shaft. And, yeah, doesn't want to move. Now that we got the garage all nice and stinky. Get our new ones out. All right, this is what the new one looks like. It's kind of assembled. So we're going to feed it up from the bottom. So the bottom nut's going to be a 15. Feed it up to the hole here. Hole. Oh. We're gonna go bushing with washer. We're gonna go sleeve. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go bushing with washer. Let's see that guy. I'm gonna hold everything up through the hole, just like that. This one has a special, it's all kind of one unit. You assemble it when you get it, it looks like. Just the bushing by itself goes in, and here's your sleeve with the nut. Gonna go up top here. Get snugged up here, and then they say in the instructions they just want a couple threads shown here on the top. We're going to 15 millimeter here on the bottom, 16 on the top. There we go. know from their instructions. They said just 2 to 3, I think it's 2 threads. I have 3 threads showing right here on the top. And that is done. Let's pop you off here. Woo! Let me get the different angle. So here's where we got the top. We got the bottom. Right here is where we cut it off. We just went right in there and zipped. Then it broke off. I'm going to say zip. It's in there for 30 minutes. It's going to be a 5-minute video. So anyway, I wanted to say super easy, but that's usually how you find them. You find just the top broken off. The old one just sitting in there doing whatever it is it does. Cut that off. Get the new one zipped in. Like I said, just got a couple threads there on the top. And we should be good to go. Anyway, if you guys like what you saw here, please give us that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time.